morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, March 1st, 2021.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now here's our kindness ambassador, Matthew, to announce our friendly Falcons.
Today's friendly Falcon is Miss Thompson. She was nominated by Tiago. Tiago says Miss Thompson is the best library teacher. She gives books to kids, and he loves her. Hallie Carrington is in Miss Gerard's class, and she was nominated by Malia Noel. Malia says Hallie is a friendly Falcon because she is a great best friend and is always helping others while being kind. Thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
This week is Read Across America Week. Let's celebrate by reading together. Today is Celebrate Reading. Tomorrow is Happy Birthday, Dr. Seuss. Dress like your favorite Dr. Seuss character.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 53 and a low of 40.
Happy birthday to Lincoln Pugh.
Today in history, in 1780, Pennsylvania becomes the first U.S. state to abolish slavery.
Today is National Peanut Butter Lovers Day. This day celebrates the nutty goodness that is found in peanut butter, and is so amazingly delicious.
In the headlines, man who makes dental prosthetics helps a orphan koala walk again. After a wild koala was found, the rescuers saw that the poor koala was missing a foot, but a local dentist prosthetics was able to help the baby koala out and made him a prosthetic foot so he could walk again.
Today's fun fact is the silverback gorilla can lift about a literal ton. That's 2,000 pounds.
Wow.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Nevaeh, what does a zombie vegetarian eat?
I don't know what.
Grains.
That's all for today.
Let's
say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Alexis.
And I'm Nevaeh. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons.